Today you are watching Classic Caillou steals people's snacks and gets grounded. And it was requested by Dylan Cito and Midori. Enjoy the video. Hello there. I'm Classic Caillou, and today, I'm going to steal people's snacks. So, here I go. Hey, that's my chips. Give it back and go get your own chips. Hey, that slice of pizza is mine.
What the heck? Give me back my donut.
How dare you? Give me back my burger rings, you piece of crap.
Excuse me, that hot dog belongs to me.
How freaking dare you? Give me back my bag of chips.
Hey, give me back my chips right now. Oh no, you don't, Classic Caillou. How dare you steal people's snacks? That's it, go home now while I call your parents.
Once Classic Caillou got home,
Oh. Classic Caillou, how dare you steal people's snacks? That is so, you little brat.
You are grounded for life. This means no TV, no computer, no Sonic the Hedgehog, no snacks, and many more.
Go to your room right now and think about what you did.
Wow. Hey guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. See you later!